Good afternoon, teacher. I am Manuel Arias. In this video, I'm going to present my first assignment. Hello, welcome. Today, I have the test results and the diagnostic ready. You have head checked and sore throat. In this case, you shouldn't drink any cold. You also have a severe cold and feel very dizzy. First, I take your temperature and to see if you have a fever, if you sometimes have ear pain and infection. It's recommended that you consult a specialist. Also, if you dizzy or have headache, you should test and drink plenty of water. You shouldn't go to school or work if you feel it very ill. If you have a cold, you should take medication and test at home. Finally, you also need medication if your eyes hurt or you can see well. You can ignore the symptoms because its health is important. And remember, you must take care of your health and visit the doctor when you feel unwell. Thank you.